Well, you guys guessed it. The bulls for Amazon stock stumbled at $144. I told you all about that on our last video for Amazon, which was on September the 13th. Now, I didn't do a price prediction at that time for Amazon, but here we are today. We got some things off the chart that we can talk about that may actually say that the market in Amazon is going to continue to drift to the downside. Now, I didn't say plummet. I didn't say crash. I didn't say collapse. I just said drift, meaning that I'm not necessarily looking for the market to completely fall off a cliff in Amazon, but that $144 area, I told you all that we needed to see those buyers hold that price. And here it is a couple of days later. The market is trading at $135.29. $135.29. Now, look at where the market currently is in Amazon. It's testing our trend line. Is it going to hold, or will Amazon continue to go lower? Let's look at the market on the 5-day time frame. That should give us a big hint as to whether or not the market in Amazon is going to hold that trend line. What do you think? Bullish or bearish? Let me zoom in so you guys can see the chart better. Now, for us to have the prior 5 days, the market in Amazon go up, right? To see price come back down tells you that the market is weak. Tells you that $144, there's a massive block of sellers right there for the buyers to not even take that market out to the upside and continue higher. It came right back down on the low of the bar. So that tells you that there's some selling in the market in Amazon now. So will it hold that trend line? To me, I don't think it's going to hold. I think the price in Amazon is going to fall below that trend line and continue to go lower. That's on the 5-day time frame. Look at this on the 3. Charts don't lie. They give you the truth. It is how we analyze the charts that give us the wrong presumption as to where price is going to go. That's weakness right there in Amazon on the 3. That's off the 3-day price bar prior, off this immense amount of volume. People are selling Amazon right now. Okay? That's what's going on. Here it is on the weekly chart. 2 weeks, 3, and a 5. So the market here in Amazon on the longer term charts from 3 days, 5, weekly, and 2 weeks definitely showing weakness. Now for the weekly and the 2 weeks, we still have a day and 10 hours. But if it looks the way that it looks right now on Amazon on the weekly and the 2 weekly time frame, yeah, the market definitely is going to continue, in our presumption, continue to go lower. Okay. Now, we may not see the price go extremely low. Look at this. We have areas of support. Okay. Namely, I would say right here around $132. And then definitely here around 130. It's a massive area of support around 128. Okay. So let me put this on the chart. The first target is right here, like 132. My second target would be $130. But then my ultimate target would be down here around 128. Those are the 3 targets currently that I'm seeing into the market in Amazon. Matter of fact, let me take that one away. This would be my first target, 132, second 128. And then my third target would be down here on these lows. Right there. Okay, so let's clean this up. Let's get rid of that trend line because I think price in Amazon is going to break it to the downside. And we're going to play these markets moving to the downside here, because I do suspect price has a little bit lower to go. Yeah, 130. I might need to put that 130 back on there though. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to look for the market in Amazon to continue to go lower. First target for Amazon is here, 132, which is 2.36%. I'm looking at the low that came in on this day, September the 7th. The market may actually try to hold that and begin to go higher from there. So I'm just telling that to you now, that I can see that the market could actually grab some support initially right here on the low of September the 7th. Okay, so my first target 132. My second target is down here around 128, which is 5.4%. And then my third target is going to be around 126, which is 6.92. Okay, so this is the area that we're going to follow within the trading channel for Amazon. Pretty much looking for the market to do this. Okay, now if we break that, then we need to talk of a longer term move to the downside in Amazon, but right now we'll hold that there. Resistance into the market in Amazon is going to be around 144, and that is it. Finished. It's your turn. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.